Hi everyone, today I will make a prototype with two LED. In order to show you, you don't need a power outlet or any network connection to solder, program and use my prototype. I'm doing this video in the ruin of the Château de Montferrand. I used a SS2812B LED strip. They are easy to use since you only need 3 pins, the ground, the 5V and the data pin. We solder the DI, the data input on our Arduino, using a 4.7 kilo-ohm resistor to the D6 of the Arduino. Then we solder the GND and the 5V. I'm using a battery-powered soldering iron. They are less efficient than a soldering iron plugged on a power outlet, but it still works pretty well. I used adhesive paste on the Arduino, so it doesn't move while we solder. After that, we pass the second LED behind and solder it to the front LED using the DO, data output. Once the prototype is finished, I put my prototype in a 3D printed case. I plug the Arduino on a micro USB cable to avoid damaging the micro USB port. Our prototype is finished, but we still need to upload the code on the Arduino. We are going to use a Raspberry Pi 3 with an LCD screen to program our Arduino without a computer. On the Raspberry Pi 3 there is Platform.io, which is like the Arduino software, but you can use it on the command line, so we doesn't need a computer to use it. Once our Arduino is programmed, we create a hotspot with our phone, so the Raspberry Pi connects to it. When the Raspberry Pi finishes to upload the code on the Arduino, LibreConnect is restarted and will automatically connect any Arduino plugged on a Raspberry Pi on a WebSocket. So I'm going to test our prototype using a static web page which is on my phone. As you can see, I can change the color and the animation on the LED and then save it. We just need to plug our Arduino to a power source to display our animation. Thanks for watching.